Welcome to House of Tech English, guys. In this video we are going to see that how to do screen recording in Mac. So if you are using MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, the steps are going to be same. Now shortcut for screen recording is you need to press Command plus Shift plus number key 5 on your keyboard and you will get screen recording options over here. So over here there are two options and these two options are for screen recording, and again on the left hand side there are three more options. These three options is for screenshot. So if you select this first option which says record entire screen, if you select this particular option it will record entire screen over here. But let's say if you want to just record a selected portion of your Mac, then select this record selected portion option and then you can just adjust the screen or the part or the portion where you want to do screen recording. So once you adjust it, after that you can click and drag it wherever you want. So let's say if I want to only record this particular side of the area, I'm going to keep this area over here. If I want the bottom part, I'm going to move it like this. So if you want to record selected portion, select this second option, but for now I'm going to select entire screen. So I have selected this option. Now before starting screen recording, there are few more options. If you go in options over here, under microphone, make sure you select MacBook Air microphone to record audio with screen recording. But if you don't want to record audio with the screen recording, then you can select none option over here. But if in case, as I told you, if you want to record audio, you can select MacBook Air microphone. So it will record audio from the mic of your MacBook. So once everything is done, you can either press record option over here and then it will start recording and you will get a recording icon over here at the top, or else you can see currently the cursor is of camera icon. If I directly tap over here, it will start recording. So now you can see this is the recording icon over here. So the screen recording has started. So let's open Launchpad over here. Let's toggle between the pages. Let's go back. Let's open settings now. So currently everything is been recorded. So now you can see I am opening few applications over here. Let's say if I open App Store as well, so it is going to record each and everything which is on the screen right now. So let's quit the application and then you can just simply tap on this top option and you will get recording over here at the bottom. You can select it. You can check the recording over here. So if I play this recording, it will start playing the recording. So let me minimize the volume first. So now currently you can see everything which we have done for few minutes, everything is been recorded over here. So you can check the recording like this, and if you feel that the recording is good, then you can simply press this done option. But if in case the recording is not proper, you get an option of delete over here. So you can delete it and then you can start recording once again. But if you want to save, just simply select this done option and screen recording will be over here on the desktop. If you want to rename, you can tap, you can press enter and you can rename whatever you want. So yeah, that's how simple it is to screen record in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.